All right, y'all. So here's the Wagyu and it's wondrous glory. So pretty much, it's resting, and the reason why we let it rest is because it's still cooking internally. Okay, so basically we're just letting it rest, and you know, making sure that it's good. You don't want to cut right into a steak when you after you cook it. You're trying to let it rest, and if you can just get some angles here. You know, that's that fat cap we seared. Come back. Like out here. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So that's the fat cap we seared. This is the original side that we had it on. If you touch it, it's very lean inside. This is about a medium, okay, right now. But it's still cooking internally. So I want y'all to keep in mind and keep an open mind. When I cut this open, it's gonna kind of look pink-ish. But the funny thing about it is, it's so much fat in it, you won't even notice the pink. So it'll look done. You see what I'm saying? That's why the Wagyu can be cooked that way. Okay? You gotta do right by that steak. You cannot overcook that steak. You can't cook it medium well. That's just dumb. You can't do that with this type of steak. And I know, I'll back up a little bit. I know that, for one, my wife, she like y'all. She don't believe in none of that. She want her meat cooked. Now the thing is, I've got her to eat it medium well, which is a step up for her. She used to like it well. And we ain't got to tell nobody about that. So, but now, and then the other thing you got to think about too, y'all. This is not some meat you get from a market. So this meat came with certification. So my thing is, this meat you could probably eat raw. Like when you saw it in the package, I probably could have cut a slice, ate it, and been okay, because that meat is brought up in such a way that it ain't no disease. Those cows are well looked after. That's why you can trace back, from its birth. Like, okay, so this is like that type of fresh meat that you don't always see, you don't always get. So it's very much a treat. So now we're gonna cut into it. Sorry, I had to hear that. I had to beat up a fork. So anyway, here we go. Y'all ready?
Yes.
Okay. So we're just gonna go straight down the middle just to get a look. Okay. All right, babe, come in for an angle shot. Hold on. Let me take a peek. Let me see what's under the dress before we reveal. Okay, that's nice. Okay, y'all ready? Now, like I said, y'all got to keep an open mind. This is Japanese Wagyu. All right, come down like here. Perfect. And here is the result. Look at that Wagyu. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Nice.
It's juicy. It's a perfect medium. You can't really tell because it's so much fat through the majors. We're gonna get a little zoom in action so you can see. So come down here. No, you ain't gotta do that. We want a real zoom in. So look right there. So look at this, y'all. You see this? That's real time. Look at that beautiful. Look at this. It's juicy. Look at this. Watch. I'm gonna squeeze it. Okay, that is a perfectly cooked Wagyu. We got to do right by this steak. Even though I'm from the east side of Detroit, I know how to make a steak. Okay, that is a perfectly cooked Wagyu. Now, time for the taste test. So, we're gonna cut a slice here. We're gonna cut a couple slices. This is A5, y'all. Make no mistake. I done showed y'all the paperwork. Y'all know what it is, okay? It's that type of time we on. You gotta understand. Now, my real steak lovers will know this is a perfect temperature for this type of steak. It's very serious out here, okay? That's how it has to be. Listen. I'm gonna be for real with y'all. I gotta take the camera for this one. Because I know that some of my people, y'all think this is not what it is, but this is how you have to make this steak. You got to do right by it, okay? You can't well done this steak. It's gonna taste rubbery. Imagine when you cook fat like that. It'd be rubbery, right? All right. So here we go. We're going in for the test. The taste of the taste of the taste of the taste.